welcome back to my channel. My name is Juhi and today's video is about Nykaa haul. So I received these two giant boxes from Nykaa, and before starting with this video I want to give a quick disclaimer that I'm not promoting any online shopping, but I would like to say that if you guys order anything online, you have to be very careful and remember to sanitize each box which you receive, as still the situation in our country is not good, but you have to be very protective and careful as it's been unlocked now. So stay safe, stay healthy and order online, but keep yourself and the boxes and the products sanitized. When I receive these boxes, I first sanitize my hands and then I sanitize the whole box, and then I again sanitize each products inside that box, and again I sanitize myself. So and after 2 days I use those products or touch those products. So you have to be very careful and protective right now. So yeah, without any much delay in the video, let's dive into the video. So I have some skincare, makeup and hair care products. So I will be picking randomly any product and let's get started. So the first product we have this Pond's Light Moisturizer Cream. It's non-oily and give you a fresh glow. Let me show you the product quickly. As you can see, I've already started using it. And let me show you the product. As you can see, it has quickly absorbed into my skin. And it has a beautiful fragrance also. It has a vitamin E and glycerin in it. It's best for summer as you can store this product in your fridge for cooling effect. So second product we have Caffeine Coffee Face Wash, and this is how the product looks like. So Caffeine has a different range, like they have a coffee range and the green tea range. If you guys want me to try the green tea range, then comment down below and let me know about it. So let me show you the product quickly. So this is how this product looks like. It has a very thick consistency, but it doesn't smell like a coffee. Like I was expecting that it should feel like, smell like coffee, and it doesn't smell like 1% of coffee also. So this is a disadvantage, I guess, of this product, but it has a very thick consistency. It is for normal to oily skin, so those who people have a normal to oily skin type, you can definitely try this product. So the third product is again from the Caffeine Naked and Raw Coffee Face Scrub. This is how the product looks like, and it has the same packaging like the face wash. Let me show you the product. Alright, so it has a very cream texture and it's very soft. It do like smell like a coffee, like I can say yes, but not completely what I was expecting from this also. And for the scrub, I always say that do not scrub your face on a daily basis and do not be harsh on your skin. It's also for normal to oily skin type. If you are between this, so you can definitely go and try this out. So Nykaa was having a huge sale, so when I ordered these two products from Caffeine, I got the free 2 samples. One is the coffee body scrub and second is coffee body polishing oil, and this is how it looks like. And as you can see, I haven't used this product yet, but I'm soon going to try it and give this review on my Instagram. And do follow me on my Instagram as I'm super active over there. So follow me on my Instagram account and stay tuned for these two products review. So next product we have Gulabari Rose Water. So I reordered this product as I already finished the last one. As we all know about the benefits of rose water, it calms down the skin irritation and give you fresh feelings. That's why I reordered it again. So next product we have Overnight Acne Blemish for Oily Skin, and this is what the product looks like. I have oily and acne prone skin and I have used this product like 5 to 6 times, but I didn't see any impact on my skin. This product comes in a powder form. Let me show you. So you can make it a paste with the normal water, or you can make it a paste with the rose water and apply it on your face or where you have an acne spot. So I have tried this and I didn't see any result after like applying for a week also. I didn't found it worth, as its price is also little too expensive. Like it's 300 rupees for 30 grams only. So it's overpriced and have the very less quantity. So you can give it a try for this if you want. Otherwise, for my skin it didn't work out. If it worked on your skin, then do comment and let me know about it. So coming to the next product we have is TRESemmé HD Hair Fall Defense with Keratin Protein. So I have been using this product from the past 4 months, and if you guys want to know about my hair care routine, then comment down below and let me know about it. So next product we have is eyelash curler from Vega. Let me show you the product. So this is how the product looks like. So before applying the mascara, you can use this curler to uplift your eyelashes and then apply the mascara to get the result of volumized eyelashes, and this is how it looks. So next product we have the eyeliner from Lakme. I got in black and the blue color. They also have in green and in golden also. If you want me to try those two products also, then comment down below and let me know about it. And also I have created a look by using this blue eyeliner on my Instagram. Then do check that video too. And it's very affordable. It's just for 130 rupees and it's for 9 ml, and it's like worth buying this product. So you can definitely go for it. So coming to the second last product we have is aloe vera from Ayush. So let me show you the product quickly. It's in a gel texture and it also absorbs into skin very smoothly, and it also have a beautiful fragrance. So you can use this aloe vera and you can also store this in your fridge for cooling effect. You can also use this aloe vera on your face before sleeping, and also on your hair if you have a frizziness or dryness on your hair. It works really well, so you can give it a try. Before this I was using the Patanjali aloe vera gel, but I thought to try this one, the Ayush aloe vera cooling face gel, and it's really good for the skin. So the last product of this Nykaa haul is VLCC Pole Facial Kit. So I ordered this for my mother, and let me show you what is inside this box. Alright, so as you can see we have the 6 small tubes, and every tube has written the step. So step number 1 is the toner, then second is scrub, third is gel, fourth is cream, fifth is the pearl, and the sixth is oil-free moisturizer gel. But if you want to do a natural DIY facial at home by using the home remedies, then don't forget to check that video. I will put a link above, so do check that video too. And that's all for today's video. Hope you guys enjoyed it, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel and give this video a big thumbs up if you like it, and I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.